today's class, we'll be learning how to achieve a boat neckline. So this is our pattern, a boat neckline. It's actually a neckline that is wide, like the one on the video. So this is how to go about it. At this end, from this your armhole end, from here, you determine the width you want to leave there. You will determine the width. You can leave 1.5 or 2 inches. Let's work with 1.5, or let's do 2 inches here, there, and see. So we'll be connecting it to this. So place our tape this way and connect. You measure how wide you want from the center front. You can see we are having 6 inches here. You can see we have 6 inches. If we trace the line to this place, we have 6 inches. So you can determine the width you want here, or you leave either 2 inches or 1.5 at this end, and you connect. So this is our beautiful boat neckline. You can see how wide it is. It's not deep, it's wide. See it? This is our boat neck. You can use this for both front and back. It's wide, it's not deep. Okay, the depth we have like 3 inches. You can see we have like 3 inches, and this is the width. So you can see the shape. This is how to achieve a perfect boat neckline. Thank you very much for watching.